So let us start right away without
क्या बात
wasting
है,
any
देखो
time.
चलो चाकू को
Hello, keep yourself muted. Keep your cameras on. I would like to ask Anshu Kumar to make his presentation. Anshu Kumar. Yes, Anshu, start.
What was the topic?
Any topic of your choice.
I have written report, ma'am.
Okay.
Teachers Day celebration.
All right. Very good.
Teachers Day program is organized in the college every year. It is celebrated every year on 5th September. This time also Teachers Day was celebrated very well in our college. The student of each one was decorated the classroom well. Teachers Day was well organized. All the teachers were presented in the class. Cake was ordered and the cake was cut by teachers. Some students were displayed their art. The student wished all the teachers a happy Teachers Day. All the students enjoyed the Teachers Day. Thank you.
All right. Yes. Some people are so wise, so intelligent that they know that what is the importance of public speaking. And I think in each class, there are some people who always raise their hands and make their speech. This is very motivating for me, indeed. Yes. Yeah.
My topic is road accident, 3 killed. Uh, a head-on collision between a truck and a Bolero took place on Sunday evening on the Patna near Punaichak, killing 3, including a child. According to the local, the accident took place around 6 p.m. when the truck going towards Patna hit Bolero coming from the opposite direction. The SP of Patna said that the 3 riders of the Bolero, identified as Amit, his friend Raghav, and his son Suman, have been declared dead at PMCH Patna, while the truck driver and uh, his assistant were unhurt. He further said that the investigation is going on and the reason would be found very soon. Thank you.
Respected ma'am and dear friends, good morning all of you. My name is Shivam. I want to talk about why our Bihar not developed till now. It has many reasons. And first reason is state equalization policy. State equalization policy adopted by Global in 1952 facilitate the equal growth of industry all over the country. Means factory could be set up anywhere in India. And when factory will be set up, central government gets subsidized by all, all over the country. FEP equivalency policy applied only to certain commodities such as iron, cement, which are deemed essential for the economy, but did not apply to raw materials like cotton, silk, etc. Our Bihar not developed because our central government not get the subsidy for this like as cotton and silk. And other point is agriculture. Agriculture in Bihar is mainly depend on monsoon. Soil of Bihar is not uniform everywhere. Some areas are waterlogged, while some areas are dry. Land holdings in Bihar is very small. 3/4 land holdings is less than 1 hectare. Most of the farmers are poor, so they are unable to invest in high-tech machines and implement the high-tech machines in needed for the scientific method for agriculture. Poor farmers cannot afford HYV seeds, fertilizers, and etc. And another point is caste-based politics. This is the major disadvantage for our Bihar due to not develop. Bihar is famous for caste-based politics. More caste-based politics, less development politics. After post independence, high caste entities has power in Bihar politics, but they neglect their needs for lower caste people. So after 1920, new parties come into power with their leaders from lower caste. But that political mobilization has not improved the economic prospects of Bihar. State Bihar suffered political instability for decades. From 1961 to 1991, Bihar saw 20 governments, none of which completed their term. 8 governments were busy to save their chairs rather to bring the reforms. But I am happy to say that economic growth improved. And another point is education. Nelson Mandela said that education is the most powerful weapon which can change the world. Bihar Sarkar recently allocated the budget of education sector around 35,000 crore, but in India, education is not improving. And at the last, I conclude that it has reasons like as youth population, quality of education, lack of vocational training, and skill training. Higher education has not changed, so the student go to another city, state or country for reading. Lack of innovation, research and development. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Yes, next. Why are your cameras not on?
Teacher, Neha ma'am and Shambhu sir.
Hello, Sikandar, start again. Start again.
Yeah.
Start again.
Okay. Awareness campaign of COVID-19, 8 September 2021 by Sikandar Kumar. An awareness campaign of COVID-19 was organized on 5th September 2021. It was organized by Sanjana ma'am, who is a teacher of Simej College. The campaign was conducted with the support of other teachers like Udar sir, Akansha ma'am, Adnan sir, Nitish sir, Neha ma'am, and Shambhu sir. They have communicated to the people to reform from shaking hands and hanging, hugging for the safety of their loved ones and family members. The main focus of the campaign was to create an awareness, the use of mask, sanitizer, maintenance of social distance, frequently washing hands, as, as this measure can help us to defeat this global pandemic. The response of the students of the college was very encouraging. Encouraging awareness material on the coronavirus, including banners, hand sanitizer, face mask, were distributed students to students. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, at least you have started writing and knowing what is to write your report and how to write your report. Why are you with your cameras off? Now I'll call out any roll number and I will ask to make a presentation. Yes, what's your roll number? Hello. You already have spoken, no? Yeah. Okay, start then.
I am report Teachers Day.
I am report. To whom report? Oh,
No, ma'am. I wrote report in a Teachers Day.
on Teachers Day.
On Teachers Day. Teachers Day was celebrated in the Simej College in the class on 4th September 2021. It was on account of the birthday of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the educationalist, the vice president, so that a special arrangement for holding class by students themselves was made. And then the teachers and students gathered together in the classroom in order to celebrate the Teachers' Day. The classroom was richly decorated with flowers, a small flag, clocks, festoons, and ribbons by the students. After celebrating Teachers' Day, students and teachers took pictures together for memories, and all teachers gave many blessings all the students. Thank you.
Hmm. And now roll number 9, Rajneesh Kumar. Rajneesh, switch on your camera. Rajneesh Kumar. He's not there. Akanksha, roll number 64.
Good morning, everyone. I am Akanksha Jaiswal, and I would like to say something about Stephen Paul Jobs. He was born on February 24, 1955, and he was an American business magnate, industrial designer, investor, and media proprietor. He was the chairman, chief executive, and co-founder of Apple Corporated, the chairman and majority shareholder of Pixar, a member of the Walt Disney Company board of directors following its acquisition of Pixar, and founder, chairman, and the CEO of Next. Jobs is widely recognized as a pioneer of the Apple in 1976 to sell Wozniak's Apple First personal computer. Together, the duo gained fame and wealth a year later with
What happened?
second, one of the first highly successful mass-produced microcomputers, and he was died on 5th October 2011. Thank you.
Hmm. Is there anybody who can speak without reading? Is there anybody who can speak, not read? ऐसा कोई है जो आप अपनी लिखी हुई चीज को आप बोल सकते हैं? लिखा है तो याद, तो पॉइंट्स तो याद ही होगा। हर्षित कुमार, रोल में 53। हर्षित नहीं है। रोल नंबर 86, श्रुति अवस्थी। वो भी नहीं है। रोल नंबर 19, सौरभ। ठीक है, आपने कुछ लिखा नहीं है तो आपको हम टॉपिक देते हैं, और जो नहीं लिखते हैं, होमवर्क करते हैं, उसको फिर टॉपिक हम देते हैं उनको। ठीक है। Your topic is the importance of good habits.
I have to write anything right now, ma'am?
No, 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 no. You have to speak right now. जिसने होमवर्क नहीं किया है उसको फिर ऑन द स्पॉट बोलना पड़ता है। The importance of good habits.
So, hi, my name is Pramod Kumar. And I'm going to talk about why good habits are important instead of bad habits. First of all, habits are things which we do often, and it's like our second nature. And habits are mostly of two types: good habits or bad habits. Bad habits contains like no, bad habits comes like no. Bad habits are like addiction that are not good for us, but good habits are like good manner, good body language, things which help us in our everyday life, like writing every day, and good habits help us. Good habits help us improve gradually over time.
What are some of your good habits?
Mine, I think, I learn about computers. I like computers, and I
No,
am
no. I'm
consistent
not
about it.
talking about your likes and dislikes. I'm talking about your habits. So
Yeah,
what are your some of the good habits which you have?
me learning consistently every day about new things. I think that is my good habit.
How has it helped you?
Yeah, it helps. Yeah, it have helped me. I have come a long way, and I know a lot more than what I learned the last year when the pandemic started. And after with
All right, during the pandemic, ever since the lockdown started and the pandemic, so in the span of the last 2 years, how much skill have you developed? What skills have you developed and how?
yeah, I have learned a lot. I started with learning about web how to create websites
Very
on
good.
my own, and I learned 2 or 3 like I learned 2 or 3 new programming languages and mastered one of them. And
That's great.
and I started
Can you
learning
tell
how,
the students about the website which you have mastered? Can you
Yeah.
make a presentation on it?
presentation. I can make a present. I can do a presentation on that programming language which I
Very
mastered,
good. Yes.
and yeah, I can tell. I can make a presentation of how a website actually works, the outline of the structure of a website, the front
That
end
is
and the back end.
absolutely brilliant. So in the next class, you will be making a presentation. Rather, I will call it a peer-to-peer knowledge sharing. Something which you have, the skills which you have, you are going to acknowledge it first, and then tell the students like how it has helped you, and share knowledge, right? Very good.
Can I sit down, ma'am?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
So there is a lot of talent like in the students. Teachers have to find out. और अब मुस्कुरा रहे हैं, उनको बुलाते हैं। रोल में 53 अर्षित कुमार।
या मैम,
मुस्कुराने की वजह क्या बताइए?
मैम सही बोला।
सही बोले हैं हम। ओके, फाइन। चलो। And last but not the least, we have Harshit Kumar, which is presentation today. हर्षित कहाँ चले गए? हेलो, चलिए, all right then. So in the next class, we will have a presentation on knowledge sharing class, peer-to-peer learning, and let's see how many of you can learn something from this student who's going to share his knowledge with you. That's it.